I mean enough. Can you tell you hi? How's it going? Are you gonna flip over for mommy and daddy? Are you gonna flip over? Hi. Hi. Look at you, rocking and rolling. Rocking and rolling. Hi. Remember we practiced, you gotta get that arm under. Oh, that's close. What do you see? What do you see there? You see that ladybug? You see that ladybug? Hi. And turn myself about. Here we go, loopy-loo. Here we go, loopy-loo. Here we go, hi. I'm checking you out. I'm checking you out. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. You almost got it. You almost got it. Let's move that book so you have to reach for it. Oh, oh, I think you're there. Oh, so close. You can do it. You can do it. Get that book. Get that book. Hi. Hi. What's going on? You're just a big teaser, huh? You're just a big teaser. Reach for that book. Here, reach for this book. Here. Reach for that book. Yeah. You know you can. You know you can. You're on camera. Show off for mommy. Hi. Show off for mommy. You can do it. Moo moo. Moo moo. You can do it. You can do it. Get that book. Get that book. Yeah. We're on our way. Hi. We're on our way. There you go. Hi. So hi. You're so unbelievably cute. I gotta pull you back around so you have plenty of room. Whoosh! Plenty of room to turn over. You're so close. Oh, that was so close. Flip it over. To Grandpa's car. We're on our way. You're so close. You're so close, Mommy. Mommy's so proud of you. Yeah. I'm right here. Flip it over. Flip it over. That was awesome! Good job! Mommy's so proud of you! Yay! Good job! Yay! We got it on camera for Daddy! Good job! Yay! Daddy's gonna be so proud of you. Yay!